Now I'm sure you hear it because you want to see what this can do. Let's check it out. Let's start off with a 3.5 by 3.5 piece of pine. Now this is bamboo flooring, very, very strong material. My last miter saw was having a tough time with this. Let's see how it does. Half-inch plywood. Piece of 2x4. And take a look, even with the factory 40 tooth blade, cuts real smooth, real nice. I did purchase an optional 60 tooth, but it does a really good job. So I hope that gives you a pretty decent idea. It has plenty of power, more power than what I was expecting, to be honest. I've done maybe 50 cuts off camera. This is holding up the charge really, really well. The other thing is it's super light. This is maybe 21, 22 pounds, and I have a 10-inch miter saw, corded miter saw, and that's maybe 40 pounds. So it's a much lighter unit, which I'm very happy about. It does have a light, if you're curious, up here, just to show you some other features very quickly. It does bevel, and of course you can do your miter cuts. So it's a nice unit. I'm happy with the purchase. But anything else, if you're curious on how this is held up over time, please leave those questions, comments. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.